first ever test. So I am testing out my whole setup here. This area all over here is going to be blocked off. So it's going to be walled off. So you're just going to see like in here. So none of that. From what I'm seeing, so with our DJ headlights, there is a problem. Our projector on the back here looks really just horrible. Quality looks really bad. I do think that once I block some other stuff here, let me see here for a second. I don't think this might do something. It might help with that light off. Projector might be better and look better once that's walled off as well. The lights up there, I can customize that. So Wanger X Music, I can make it other colors. I think I'm going to. The white just kind of makes it too bright. Okay. Yeah, I got so much work to do. I'm also going to have a subwoofer speaker. That's gonna have way better bass. Right now, this is my computer that I have on. Again, it's definitely gonna look better once that's walled off. Of course, the table's gonna be all cleaned up, cleaned off. And I'll have other stuff. So I'll have like different effects. So I'll do a lot of different things. I think I'll have the bubbles like go off at a higher angle. Maybe when a bunch of people join or people join. So yeah, a lot of stuff I want to do. It's gonna be fun. The only thing is that smoke stuff, can be a little irritating. So I definitely don't have to spray as much of the smoke. I want to get a water-based haze machine, so that'll be fun. And I want to change, yeah, I have a lot of stuff to change. So this is sound reactive fluid. Little digital thing here. Subscriber counter for our music channel. So it'll be live, which is cool. So that's live, or pretty much live. I wish the projector was better. But yeah.